Have you ever shivered uncontrollably in the cold? It's not exactly a pleasant sensation, but did you know that it could actually be a powerful tool for burning fat? That's right, shivering can stimulate your body to burn more calories and fat to generate heat and maintain your core temperature. In fact, researchers have found that cold exposure can increase your metabolic rate by up to 5 times, leading to significant fat loss over time. So, if you're looking for a natural and effective way to shed those extra stubborn fat deposits, try cold plunge therapy. Are you ready to activate your body's natural fat-burning furnace? With these simple steps, you can trigger shivering and release the powerful fat-burning action. Start by setting the water temperature to a level that will cause you to start shivering within 1 to 3 minutes of submerging. Submerge your body up to your shoulders and let the shivering begin. Don't resist the shivering, embrace it and even try to voluntarily facilitate it, you can even stimulate it. Once you've been shivering for a few minutes, exit the tub and stand near it without drying off or crossing your arms. When you feel your shivering start to slow down or stop, it's time to return to the cold plunge and repeat the process. You can perform 2 to 5 sets of cold plunge, shiver and exit, shiver, with each plunge and exit counting as 1 set. By following these easy steps, you'll activate your body's natural fat-burning mechanisms and be on your way to achieving your weight loss goals in no time. So why not try cold plunge therapy today and start shivering your way to fat loss?